Hello and welcome to today's 10-minute meditation. We're still working on healing, but now we're actually going to bring the healing energy into the future. Is that possible? Yes, it is. So I just need to kill something. What a nice way to start a morning. I'm going to kill something. Today, I have a few issues that are not resolved, things that keep creeping up and that need to stop being a problem, but they're in my future and it's just reliant on everything working out properly. So I'm going to bring the energy in like we did yesterday in the last 2-3 days. And instead of it sending it down the tunnel to the past or holding it in my presence through my hands, I'm now going to take that energy, turn to my right, and push it through the tunnel of my future. Now, the tunnel of your future doesn't quite go on for eternity the way the past one does. They do look different, but they do go on for eternity. So they look different. They both go to eternity because we don't die. Our souls are endless. So we're going to take the energy, push it through into our future, and I hope this makes sense, but actually healing issues before we get to them. So our path is smoother. We no longer have mountains. We might have molehills to climb. So same thing, guys. Prayer of protection, Lord's Prayer. We're going to bring in the energy. This time in our mind, we're going to turn to our right. And I'd like to do the same thing of sending the energy through our arms and out our hands. And when we turn to the right, we'll push it through that way, because I want you to start getting more and more used to this powerful healing energy that you have access to. All right, and then we'll close with the 23rd Psalm after a short period. Let's get started. Take a deep breath, close your eyes, and just invite yourself to relax. Take another deep breath and invite yourself to relax even more. As I approach the throne of grace, beauty, and might, I throw about myself the protections found in the thought of the Christ. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. Amen. For the kingdom, the power, and the glory are yours, now and forever. Amen. Scan your body with your consciousness and notice any tightness or uncomfortableness. Bring your attention to that spot and invite your body to release and let go. It is that simple. Our body follows our mind and our thoughts. Now let's bring our attention to the top of our head and to our third eye, between our eyebrows on our forehead, and feel where the energy is coming in from the divine, coming in from the Almighty. Feel the tingling or the twirling or the movement. Be aware that it is always there, always accessible. And notice now how it flows through your body, going through your head, your neck, your trunk, all the way down to your feet. And that river of energy is there all the time, whether you're sleeping, awake, always. It never goes away. That is part of the energy that is you connected to the divine always. And it doesn't leave until this vessel's not needed. So now take your consciousness and step back into that stream and begin to witness and notice what is occurring around you instead of being a part of what's going on around you. Now we're choosing to be a witness to everything while standing in the divine stream. Feels like a waterfall rushing through you, but it's such a perfect peace. Healing, relaxing, nourishing. Allow this stream as it flows, this river of energy flows with such might through you. Allow some of the streams of this river to flow down your arms and out your hands. And in your mind's eye, lift your hands up in your mind, not physically. Look to your right and have your palms faced out to your right. And invite this energy to heal and make straight your path into the future. Remember, we are witnessing, we are watching this happen. We're not getting involved in the story. Just sit back and witness as you stand in the river and the stream flows through you into your future. Turning back center with your mind, lift your arms up and be grateful and thankful and send up a prayer of appreciation for what you were able to accomplish by standing here and healing your future. For this opportunity, for this gift, for this ability, thank you. And as we bring our attention into our bodies, we close with the 23rd Psalm. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He maketh me to lie down in green pastures. He leadeth me beside the still waters. He restoreth my soul. He leadeth me in the path of righteousness for his name's sake. Yea, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for thou art with me. Thy rod and thy staff, they comfort me. Thou preparest a table before me in the presence of my enemies. Thou anointest my head with oil. My cup runneth over. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life, and I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever. Amen. Tomorrow, if you get a chance during the day, actually, I'd love to take this on, anybody who watches with me regularly. Determine what you want your future to be for tomorrow, okay? So one of my goals is to be a New York Times bestseller, not just an Amazon bestseller. So that will be one of the things I'm going to hold tomorrow in my future. I'm also going to hold physical strong health. I am physically strong and healthy now, but I'm going to hold that into my future. A joyful, happy family, that it stays united and together and supportive of each other, yet separate and not interdependent, not too dependent upon each other. I want to hold that into the future. I'm going to have so many blessings now that I'm going to hold into the future. So I'm going to hold them in my thoughts so that that is my path. As I'm healing, that is what I'm aiming for. And then for things that aren't working so well, it could be a financial situation. It could be your job. You want to see yourself where you really want to be. And you don't even have to make it very far out. You don't have to make it a year. If you could have the life exactly as you wanted it before the end of this year, see December 31st, and that goal, everything there. And tomorrow we're going to heal a path to that. All right, a little bit past our time, but I can't help it. You guys know I'm a yakker. Have a beautiful, blessed day. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.